Oh my God.
I love it here.
Look at Dolly.
Dolly.
Oh my God. Look at Lightning Rod.
I'm trying to,
Yeah, I know. You know, friend.
I know it's beautiful.
Oh.
Beautiful. Where's the exit? I don't understand. Good times for G. Oh, what's the name right there? Friend, shut the front door.
Oh, it's going up. It's fast, friend.
Door.
Look how fast it's going up the hill, friend.
I see that, friend. Do you see that we are right here at the front door?
I love
Shut
it.
the front door! I love it.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel.
I'm Nikki.
And I'm Ben Jack.
And we're Old Shy Coasters.
And
Today, we're at...
where we at? No.
Here we go.
We at Dollywood.
Dollywood
in
in
Pigeon Forge, Tennessee.
Yes, we are here.
Yes.
It's
So,
beautiful.
you know, we go insert clip, but we got our temperature checked and asked the pre-screening health questions.
We have our mask.
We got our mask on.
We are ready.
We're ready. Let's go explore the park.
Here. All right, we gotta have our tickets. They have to stick.
So, all right. What you got to do for him?
Tennessee. We have to answer health questions and do our health assessment. I'll be back with you guys. We'll be back with you guys.
Yeah.
Pigeon Forge, Tennessee, Dollywood, and
So screening, there's 4 questions that you got to answer. And you get your temperature check.
yes, temperature check, 4 screenings, and the mask.
Mask on.
Mask on. But yesterday,
That park was crazy.
there were no masks.
Wow, look at the... She got butterflies everywhere, friend.
Everywhere. They are so beautiful. This whole park is pretty.
And that's on everything.
That's on everything.
Look at the umbrellas, friend. Is this an umbrella festival?
Yes, yes.
Flower and
it's a
food festival.
Yes, it's a food and flower festival.
How do you feel about this food, friend?
Holy crap.
Who else we eating at? First of all, we're gonna start there.
Start with the restaurant.
We're at Aunt Granny's.
Yes.
It's kind of like a, you know, you order for the table, which is, you know.
It used to be an all-you-can-eat buffet, but because of COVID, they turned it into family sale. This is the most amazing roast beef that I've ever had in my life. Thank you, Dolly.
That pot roast is popping
It is
out of the
just-
pot.
Oh my God.
What the potatoes do, friend?
The potatoes accentuate the roast beef. Okay, Dolly, you got it, baby. You got it. You got it. This is it.
You know, we got some mac and cheese, some corn, some cabbage, and fried chicken. So you get 2 entree meats, 4 sides, and we still got 2 desserts coming. I don't even know.
Canned drinks, unlimited drinks.
And the bread, love it here.
We love it.
It's our wonderful server, Cindy.
Hello. Here you go, sweetie.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Love it here. Thank you.
Final mission. When the train comes to a complete stop, push up on your restraint and exit to your right. Please remember to take all your gear with you and exit.
Oh my gosh.
All right, y'all. So we done did a lot.
So much. We did. What is this? It's
Fire
Express.
Chaser
Fire
Express.
Chaser Express. It's a kiddie ride. Fred, tell them.
Friend, it is,
There's
but
nothing kiddie about this ride. Nothing kiddie about this ride.
she's popping severely.
Double launch, okay? She got a shed. She's amazing.
Friend, you want to go in that shed,
I
friend?
want to go on it again. Okay, she goes backwards. Fred, talk to
And
them
then-
about Firebird.
Wild Eagle.
Wild Eagle.
We did Wild Eagle. Wild Eagle is one of the best, if not the best,
The best
wing coaster.
Period.
Friend, we did Tennessee Tornado, Arrow's last.
And greatest aero coaster
She's never said this.
I hate everything arrow. Okay?
Look, I got a mask off. She hates
I hate
arrow.
arrow. My head did not bump. No headache. Smooth inversion. The loops were beautiful. The track
was a
was
B&M.
wider. It was a B&M. It was.
At that point.
I don't know. This park is giving me life. I love it here.
Your favorite ride, friend?
My favorite ride in the world.
In the world.
In
She's
the
never
whole
said
world.
this.
I went to 22 parks last year. My favorite park in the world is, drum roll, Lightning Rod! Lightning Rod! That's it. You gotta be there. You gotta ride it. That's it.
It's crazy. Dollywood is definitely a great park. I love it here. It's definitely in the top 10. Lightning, I still prefer El Toro. That's me personally.
This is my favorite park. My favorite arrow here. Only arrow. My favorite roller coaster in the world here. I want to live here.
At this point, at a time like this,
At a time like this.
this is it.
At a time like this. Look at that. Come ride that.
Drop.
Get up here.
Also, everyone is following protocol. Everyone has a mask. They'll tell you to put it on.
Yes, they will. The park we were at yesterday, there was no mask protocol.
They didn't care. So this is the park that you want to be at.
If you worried about safety.
Yeah. They sanitize
After every ride.
cycle. They sanitize your hands when you pull up.
Every ride. It's clean here. Dolly on it.
Yeah.
The food.
That food was amazing.
We had the best roast beef and potatoes we ever had in our life. I'm speechless.
Oh, this is the relaxation and recharge. You can sit here as long as you social distance and you don't have to have a mask on.
I need it up for you.
You want to relax, friend?
No, I want to ride. I ain't
well.
trying to relax.
Beautiful. Once again, we still at Dollywood.
It's amazing here.
It's so amazing here. We just got off a Dragon Flyer. And my friend did the little eagles. I don't know what they're called here. But friend, how did you love them?
I love those eagles. And let me say something. Vacoma changed the game with Dragonfly. That's it.
Dragonfly, friend, Vacoma, new FLCs,
I never.
popping.
I
Look at her, she's so smooth.
Oh my God, that's beautiful.
There's no head banging.
Nothing. It's just beautiful.
Butter, I didn't even know we was going.
I couldn't believe it was a Vacoma.
Friend, that's the Cadillac of Vacoma.
It's the Cadillac of Vacoma.
That's it. We love it here.
We love it here.
Where we going? Where we going?
Everywhere. Let's go.
Yes.
I want to do the
Friend, now, what did you say about all of these? From France. Oh my God, they're just all around here. They're so amazing. Rivertown. That's cute. Oh, our restaurant, friend. Loves it there. So they still have live performance here, but you, of course, got a social distance. Woo!
This fella there ripping up this banjo and playing every instrument on this stage.
Ready?
Every instrument.
You like banjo?
I'm awful proud to have him with us this afternoon. Give it up for Mr. Brad Hudson right here.
Okay, Big Brad.
Brad, would you mind rendering us a good old-time gospel number, if you will, please?
Something more I'd rather do than sing a good gospel song.
Everybody, please sing along. This is what everybody knows called I Saw the Light.
sorrow inside. Praise the Lord, I saw the light. All right, friend. We saw the light, and it said Dolly.
It said Dolly.
So perfect here. Free zone. Bam.
Mask free, go in there to cool off.
I love it here.
Yeah.
They don't have the misty fans going. They
I wish
generally
they did.
have,
Oh, like the spray mist fans?
yeah, it
Yeah.
really cools you down and right in here.
Yeah, it does. Oh, I see it over there. We finna go hit that mist.
Yeah.
Well, this,
These shades are hot.
yeah.
They are hot. That's why we're gonna
Thank you. Yeah, so mask off area. As long as you're social distancing. Oh, they have, Fran, look at the bench with the mist.
Look at best day. That's what I'm talking about. Best day ever. Cause they know.
They know. This is a beautiful little area. Fran, look at this. Look at this. I don't want to sit on it, but like,
I was coming right here for this. And
This
then we
is-
can hit the,
do y'all
the
see
red
this?
right there pad it, the one I've been waiting
do y'all see this? It's a.
They ain't really hitting though.
Oh, it's windy.
Nothing. Yeah.
Well, in theory, that would be great. Okay, yep.
No, I ain't with. That's all right.
I didn't want to be wet. I just wanted.
I want to feel it.
All right, so cute. Relaxation zone. As soon as you leave, mask on.
Oh my God, so pretty. Put my mask.
Silver Dollar City vibes, friend. All right, guys, we done came,
We saw Dollywood. It was amazing.
conquered her.
Beautiful.
We loved it there.
It's my favorite part. Period.
I mean, it's definitely in my top 10.
I love everything about this park, and I want to live here. So,
It's absolutely amazing, gorgeous, breathtaking.
thanks for watching, guys.
Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. It's free.